tail.
Yeah, it had a tail.
Like a pig's tail.
Shut up.
Dang, what the dog food? What are you doing? What are you doing?
This one was dog food.
Oh my god, what
But
the
you
fuck?
liked it.
How you're doing today, huh? You're doing good. I can feel it over here. You're doing good, man. That are we also doing good. What's up, everybody?
Welcome back to our channel.
So today we are doing, what are we doing?
We are doing the What's in My Mouth challenge today.
Yesterday we went to the store and we split up in the store. So I got 5 things, you get 5 things that we don't know what it is.
Yeah, and then we met at different cashiers.
And then we paid and we met outside.
Yeah.
And we came home with the bags and we don't know what it is. So the challenge is, one of us is going to be blindfolded. I have to guess what it is.
Yes.
Yeah, it's a little bit scary because you know the first thing that comes in mind, like dog shit. But why would you put dog shit in my mind?
I didn't buy dog shit. Should we do rock, paper, scissors?
Yeah.
Okay.
3 times or 1 time?
One time.
1 time only?
Yeah. And
one night only.
rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Bam!
Yeah.
Okay. Who starts?
I'm gonna feed you.
Alright.
Okay, be right back. Okay, so he is blindfolded and have to have his eyes closed the whole time and you can't peek.
Yeah. No. Yeah. Oh shit. Wait.
What?
What are you doing?
Nothing.
Okay.
Open your mouth.
No.
You can't hold
okay,
it.
but a little bit.
Okay, but you can't hold it.
Okay, but just a little bit.
Yeah. Open.
I just brushed my teeth. I don't want it to be shit.
Open your mouth.
What the f is this? Rubber or something. Cold pasta. You know, with the stuff inside.
It's not. Is it good?
No,
It's not good.
I don't want it. What is it?
You have to guess. That's the challenge. What do you think it is?
Pasta. Boiled fat pasta or something.
That's so weird. Okay, do you want to see what it is?
Yeah. What the? What? What?
It's sliced mushrooms.
Oh my god.
You didn't taste the
No,
mushroom?
I didn't taste it.
That's so weird. You know when you blind
Now when I see it, I taste it. Because I see it in my mind directly.
Yeah, like click.
Yeah.
That's so weird.
It didn't taste good at all.
Really?
Oh.
Okay, open your mouth. It's a spoon. Just close it.
Ah!
What do you think that is?
It was hot. Spicy.
Really?
Yeah.
What is it?
It's
It smells good.
burns in my whole mouth. It's something with the Thai food.
Really?
Yeah, chili. It's really hot.
Oh. Guess and then you can look.
I don't know, man. Spicy, something spicy, some sauce. To noodles. It tastes noodles.
Okay, you can open your eyes. It's hot sauce.
Hot sauce.
So you said hot, so you get a point. You get a point for this one. You will get this in a glass, okay?
In a glass.
Yeah, just drink it.
Vinegar.
No. Was it good?
No, not so good, but it wasn't bad either.
This was kombucha.
Ah, yeah.
Raspberry lemon kombucha. This is really healthy for you.
Yeah, I have drink kombucha before.
Yeah.
It's tea, Chinese tea.
It is?
I think so, yeah.
It's probiotics. So I actually bought this because I want to drink it later. You can eat this. It's okay.
Sausage.
No.
Dog food.
Is it bad? Because it smells pretty good. We've never had this before.
It smells like salami.
A last guess.
Some kind of sausage. I don't know what.
Okay, you can open your eyes. This is beef jerky. We never had this,
No, never tasted.
but I have seen it in the store like every day.
Yeah.
Was it good? Because it smells really good.
Yeah.
It smells like sausage. Like a good one.
Like sausage mixed with dog food.
It's 98% fat free. So it's a good protein.
Think. Maybe something good. Maybe something to make us happy.
Yeah, this one is pretty good. Open. Close.
What is that?
Is it good?
No.
It's not.
Oh, well, there's something with oil and fat.
Is it bad?
I think so.
Don't eat it, but you can have it in your mouth.
I'm gonna,
Here.
Olives? No.
Olives is good. You like olives. Is it that bad? No, it's not that bad.
It's not good.
It's not good. Give one guess.
Meat in some oil. Yeah. Damn! Dog food! What are you doing? What are you doing?
This one was dog food.
Oh my god, what
But
the
you
fuck?
liked it! Wasn't that bad, right?
I didn't like it. Oh my god.
But it smells good. Ugh, it doesn't smell good.
You did me dirty on that one.
Yeah, but you didn't guess dog food. You thought the other one was dog food.
Which one?
The beef jerky one.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah. Oh my god. It's time for payback.
I'm scared, but I'm not scared. If you know what I mean.
We ready?
Yeah.
Open your mouth.
Smells bad!
Open your mouth. Okay.
And this one is tuna.
Ah! Was it good? We never tasted this one before.
Yeah!
Open your mouth.
It tastes,
Oh,
it tastes like lemon.
yeah, look.
Oh my god! It was good.
I have to taste it.
It was really good. Mmm.
Whoa, wow. This one. Okay, we can eat this later.
A bow.
And this one also came with it. Yeah.
Good one, babe.
Damn, you got the first one right.
Yeah. It feels like you're nice with these ones.
I'm not sure.
Oh my god!
So you want take it?
Yogurt?
Maybe, I don't know what it is.
What?
I just bought it.
It's yogurt.
Is it?
It tastes like yogurt. It was good.
It was good. What kind of taste?
Like fruity.
Fruity?
Fruity yogurt.
Then you can open. Organic, whole milk, pear, spinach and mango.
It was kids' food. It was really good.
What?
So I have two right?
Yeah. You ready?
No. Why do you laugh?
I don't know.
I'm scared.
Here it comes. Open.
Oh, huh?
Yeah.
What is this? I'm scared! What is this?
What is green?
I don't know. What is it? Good.
Take it.
I don't want to.
Open.
No. I don't want to. What is it?
It's you can eat this.
No.
It's not something dangerous.
It's
What do you think
it
it
was
is?
like a tail.
A tail.
Yeah, it had a tail.
Like a pig's tail.
Shut up.
No, it's not.
Can I take it off?
Okay.
What is that?
Green peas. No, you like this edamame. Eh? Green
Oh my
peas.
god, I was so afraid because it was so hard and like pointy. But it
Taste them.
not bad.
Not
I
bad.
was so scared
Yeah.
because you laughed. I thought it was a bug. For sure a bug.
Now we have a Friday snack.
Yeah. Is it Friday today?
No, it's Tuesday.
Oh.
Oh, it's Wednesday. I don't know which day it is. You have 2 right so far. So far, so good. So what do you think? What do you think it is?
I don't know, but it's not good, man.
Really?
It was so bad.
What?
It was so scary. It was like so chunky and it was bites. Oh, really?
Sweet chili seafood salad.
It tasted like something with chili, but it wasn't hot. Ooh, it wasn't good. No, but now it has a different flavor to it.
Yeah.
Guys, that is so weird.
Yeah, it's strange how the mind works.
It's really strange. Everything tastes so different with this on.
Yeah.
And I don't know why I was so scared.
Shit.
What was that? Oof. Is it safe?
Yeah, it's safe. It's food.
It's food.
Yeah, it's food. Open.
Human food.
Human food, yeah. Let's go.
Oh, it's so spicy.
It's spicy.
What the hell?
What do you think?
Wait, it's not actually bad.
Really?
I don't have to spit it out. It's sour.
Really?
Pickled. Is it kimchi?
Yeah!
No!
How did you know?
I don't know.
I don't even know what it is. I just bought it.
Oh, yeah.
What is kimchi?
It's a vegetable, I think.
How did you know?
Because I had it. In Sweden, you do not get food up to here in the cans. It fills up like here. Right?
70% only.
Yeah, 70% of the can is filled. But here in the States, everything is so full.
So what did you think?
I think you were really nice.
Was I?
Yeah, it was nice.
Good. Good.
What did you think?
You were not nice to me. So maybe next time I'm gonna do some little more bad stuff.
Yeah, oof, it's sour.
You got me dog food.
Yeah, but you kinda liked it.
I have always wanted to try dog food. Okay.
I hope you enjoyed this video. Please, if you did, give us a thumbs up.
Stay tuned. Adios.
You eating the rest of the baby food?